In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a simulator GUI. Just going to be a blank GUI, and just a way to test your GUI without having hardware. So we're going to make a copy of the Flex examples. Yes, okay. Now I'm going to go to the Linux CNC directory, open that up. I'm going to open the configs directory, open the Flex examples. Now we're going to copy simple sim and paste that in the configs directory. Now we're going to rename it. We'll call it my mill. And we're going to open that directory up, and we're going to rename the INI file and rename the UI file. The UI file contains your GUI. And now I'm going to go to the INI file and edit it, and we're going to change the machine name. Yep. Now we're going to change the GUI that it points to, so it matches our GUI that we've changed the name to. Now we can run this from Linux CNC. Pick it. There it is. Hit OK. And it starts up. It's a completely blank GUI, which shows you can have absolutely nothing if that's what you want. Now we'll open this in the Qt Designer. This is where you add your widgets and name them, and we'll get to that in the next video. Thank you.